Does scoliosis ever correct itself? The answer is yes. And we see this particularly in infantile scoliosis. So if we have a mild case of infantile scoliosis, to me that's the one place in the world of scoliosis that it is legitimate to watch and wait, because we do see that there's a significant percentage of these, especially the smaller curves, that will spontaneously correct themselves. Regular scoliosis, almost never, but functional scoliosis, yes. And this is the scoliosis that's due to muscle spasm, or a person's in pain and they're tipped over because of the pain, what's so-called antalgia. After the pain releases, the person will go straight and the scoliosis is gone. So there are isolated types of scoliosis that can spontaneously fix themselves, but the regular type of scoliosis, never see that. Thanks for watching. I hope you found all this information helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like to have more information about scoliosis, and don't forget to hit the bell. That'll alert you whenever we publish new information. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments field, and I'm going to make sure to address them in a future video. Thanks for watching.